What's the meaning of chronograph? Chronograph. Chronograph.
Chronograph. Chronograph. A chronograph is a device used to measure elapsed time, typically with precision and accuracy. It consists of a stopwatch function that can be activated or deactivated, often located on a watch face. When engaged, it records time intervals with the push of a button, allowing for timekeeping and timing events such as races or sporting matches. The word chronograph comes from the Greek words chronos meaning time and graph meaning write, indicating the function of recording time.